So we've been hearing rumors that Gemini 3.5 Pro is about to launch. And then it got delayed. And then it got delayed again. This is the third time that Gemini has been delayed.
Cmd+AI.
And I can only assume it's because they're just not hitting the benchmarks. Like, Gemini is a good model, like, for just chat intelligence, doing all that kind of stuff. It's not a bad model. It does the job for a lot of people. I've always thought that. I like it as an image model as well. But for coding, for real world usage, Gemini 3.5 Pro has now missed its launch target 3 consecutive times: June, then July, and now. Reporting Wednesday that the rebuilt model is still plagued by hallucinations and inconsistent outputs that prevent it from clearing basic reliability standards. So it's not actually an intelligence thing. It's not a benchmarking thing. It's actually that it's just fallen to shit. Google I/O set the expectation. Oh yes, I remember, because I think we've got 3.5 Flash. I think we have knowingly lesser models for 3.5. It's just the Pro model that we're after, that we're waiting for right now. Neither gap is cosmetic. Recursive tool call instability is the defining capability for agentic coding model, and agentic coding is the use case Google positions the entire 3.5 generation to own. 3.5 Flash already demonstrated the category was achievable. It outscored Gemini 3.1 Pro and Terminal Bench, MCP Atlas, and Google confirmed both figures in their 3.5 launch post. Let's actually remind ourselves with this. So they've released Gemini 3.5 Flash, which outperformed 3.1 Pro. So it's still, even 3.5 Flash is good in comparison. Apparently better than Opus 4.7, and not as good as GPT 5.5. So who knows? Either way, I mean, Google are just a bit of an embarrassment, really, aren't they? To be honest.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.